Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a productivity and office app named ONLYOFFICE Desktop. It's an office suited, fully compatible with Microsoft file formats. So it's a very simple to use. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option, simply search for ONLYOFFICE Desktop and then click enter. And then you can simply click on this ONLYOFFICE suited for the document editing. If you click on that, then I'm going to get the download option over here. So click on the download now, simply click on the Windows, and now there is for the different operating system over here. So I'm going to go for Windows 11. It's recommended, you can simply see. So click on the download option, and it's about 100. It's only 1 MB, so maybe it's a installer.exe file. And click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. Click yes for the permission. Minimize all the background tab simply and click on install. That's it. Now you can simply see ONLYOFFICE is downloading. Now it will be automatically installed, so you don't need to worry about. You just have to keep your patience. And now if you click on the close option, and it will going to automatically launch the app over here. And as you can see, the ONLYOFFICE is rightly open in your computer in a very simple way. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install ONLYOFFICE in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.